Welcome back to the Rack Warehouse YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at the EXO WarriorWheels Cart Kit for the EXO GearWarrior Cargo Basket from Yakima. The WarriorWheels kit attaches quick and easy to your existing EXO GearWarrior Cargo Basket. The kit includes a set of 4 wheels and a handle that allow you to turn the basket into a cart once you've parked your vehicle. Yakima does not recommend driving with the cart kit installed. To install the WarriorWheels kit, start by installing the snap-arounds onto the frame of the GearWarrior. Then install a wheel by placing it on the tubing like this and lining it up with the snap-around. Insert a knob through the front of the snap-around and firmly tighten it to secure the wheel to the basket. Repeat the same process to install the remaining wheels. One thing to keep in mind is you'll want to install the 2 wheels that steer the basket on the same side. On the same side you install the wheels that will steer the basket, install the snap-arounds for the handle. Insert a bolt into each snap-around from the top. Align the handle with the snap-arounds, and install a knob on each one. Firmly tighten these knobs to secure the handle to the basket. With the full cart kit installed, go ahead and remove the basket by loosening the speed knobs on your EXO system and wheel it away to your destination. Thank you for checking out our video on the EXO WarriorWheels Cart Kit from Yakima. If you have any questions about the product, give us a call at 1-800-272-5362 or send us an email to info@rackwarehouse.com.